So as we started this, I was actually thinking that the first time we ever built a cost model in DHL, it was quite literally people like me in a warehouse somewhere with a clipboard, basically doing a time and motion study, because there really was no data. It was literally go and collect it. And to be honest, if you collect it on a clipboard, it's not particularly accurate. You're going to get people's opinions. So the journey we've been on for the past 15 or so years is to completely automate all of our cost and profitability. So as I said, we've got a lot more data than we used to. It's a lot more consistent. So now pretty much everything is automated. So we can get cost, profitability of every single shipment that flows through the DHL network everywhere in the world. It's not quite at the push of a button, but it is all 200 plus countries are done roughly at the same time. So it's the same method, it's the same system, and it's all centralized. So, and it's all built purely on data. So if we want to know the profitability of a customer in Japan, it's exactly the same method if we look at a customer in Brazil or the UK or wherever it might be. And it's also much more robust than it used to be. So in the past, if we say the profitability of a country or a product is plus 15% or minus 15%, you end up with a huge debate about why that number is right or wrong because we don't have the data. You didn't understand this or that, customers or products, and then we can start to improve things. So we don't spend weeks and months working on data and analyzing it. We can get straight to actually taking much, much quicker actions.
Right. You